As you may know from last Friday's video, I purchased a sealed iPod Shuffle 4th generation at a used tech market for $20. I said that in that video that I would unbox it on Tuesday, but I've been sick until now, so I will unbox it now. I apologize for my cough and nose. The allergies have gotten me and I still have drainage. I will also give you guys some nostalgia in this video, so let's get started. So right here, as you can tell, here's just another Shuffle 4th generation that I had that was my father's. This one right here is the sealed one. So if we look up to the front right here, as you can tell, it has the iPod Shuffle embedded in plastic. If we look to this side right here, it just has the model number iPod Shuffle 2 GB, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, model A1373. And then it just has some basic numbers. On this side right here, it says iPod Shuffle. Same on this side. And if we look to the back right here, it says it's 2 GB and it includes the iPod Shuffle, earphones, USB cable, and it requires a Mac or PC, USB 2.0, Mac OS 10 version 10.5.8, Windows 7, Vista, or XP Home or Pro, iTunes 10, or broadband internet access or later. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. So, as you can tell, we were taking the wrap off. And sorry, my dad's watching TikTok. Apparently, or now he isn't anymore, but as you can tell, we've gotten the top off. And if we lift this up, as you can tell, we get the iPod itself, so we'll just set that to the side, like fall tech unboxings. Then, as you can tell, we get our Designed by Apple in California thing. And then you can just pull that out of its plastic case. You get your Start Here guide, which this was obviously purchased right when it came out back in 2010. As you can tell, it just gives you some basic information right here. And yeah, this is back when products actually had manuals. Then we get some basic boring info. And right here, we get everybody's favorite part of it, the Apple box. The Apple sticker. And right down here, we get the old school Apple earbuds, which can easily fall out of your ears, and the USB cable connected to your computer. So I'm just going to go ahead and put everything back in the box, and I'll get right back to you. Or no, wait, let's actually take out the iPod Shuffle first. So it's just as easy as removing this pull tab. And just like that, boom, here's the actual iPod Shuffle. And sorry, there are sirens. Yeah, this is obviously out of juice, but oh wow, is this nice. I'm going to go ahead and put everything back in the box, and then we'll get on to the retrospective.
The iPod Shuffle 4th generation was released on September 1st, 2010, alongside the iPod Nano 6th generation, the iPod Touch 4th generation, and iTunes Payne. It originally came in pink, orange, green, blue, and silver. It replaced the controversial design of the iPod Shuffle 3rd generation with a design similar to the previously very successful iPod Shuffle 2nd generation, except even smaller. Had a $50 price tag for 2 GB of storage with no other storage options, which was downgraded from the previous iPod Shuffle storage options of 2 GB and 4 GB. On the center of the iPod, there were the volume, play/pause, rewind, and fast-forward buttons. On the bottom left and right sides of the iPod, there was an FA. On the top of the iPod, there was the headphone jack, LED light, a switch, which slid to the left would shuffle your songs, slid to the center would play your songs in order, and slid to the right would turn your iPod off. And it also included a voiceover button which acts like a stupid Siri, and if pressed once, you'd hear the name of the song you're listening to and its artist. If double tapped, you'd hear the iPod's current battery percentage, and if held down, you'd hear the name of your playlist. On the back, the iPod featured a clip. On September 12, 2012, Apple revised the iPod Shuffle 4th generation's color lamp to come in product red, coral, yellow, more turquoise like green, and more turquoise like blue, purple, and slate. The only color iPod Shuffle to survive this refresh was silver. On September 10, 2013, alongside the rest of the Apple products that came in sight, the slight iPod Shuffle 4th generation got replaced with a space gray color option. The remainder of the iPod Shuffle's color lamp remained unchanged for the next couple of years. On July 15, 2015, alongside the release of the iPod Touch 6th generation, Apple refreshed the iPod Shuffle's 4th generation color lamps once again with a However Pink, a Bright Blue, and a Gold option. The product red, space gray, and the silver options remained unchanged, whilst the rest of the previous colors were discontinued. On July 27, 2017, alongside the iPod Neo, the iPod Shuffle 4th generation was discontinued entirely, and Apple unsurprisingly never made another generation. Would you like to see any more vintage check retrospectives from me, and if so, on which device? Comment down below if you would. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please interact with stuff below except for a dislike button. Check out my social media, and as always, peace out.